Because this is our out of school children thing. We cannot solve it through classrooms. That's the truth. You're not discussing 20 million people. How many classrooms can you build? What is the capacity of each classroom? Then you are not going to need that number of teachers. The cost of administration of it is impossible. The only way is technology. Even mass literacy, the easiest way is technology. You put it out there, as we are doing here now, whether it's in Sokoto, Port Harcourt, Ilorin, everywhere, they can simultaneously participate. And there will be no, there is no issue of numbers. It's like when we broadcast our fake news on social media, before you know it, everybody has heard about it. It's the same way you can also share knowledge. The learning management system affords you, I'm sure the technical experts will tell you what the advantages of that. Because you can do practically everything on it. It takes sacrifice, it takes investment. Government has done its own, and I feel particularly bad. Because we went ahead of the field, we made investments, and our people are not using it. Me that I keep championing myself, projecting myself as Mr. Prudence. I'm now confronted with you have an equipment, you paid money for something, and people are not using it. There's no other thing. That is the classic definition of waste. Which is why for the past 2 years I shut down everything about IT. It's not. I'm a major believer in it. But how can we spend so much money and it is not being used?
Terrace is evolving to become an educational lifestyle for us, whether we are an administrator, whether we are students, or we are lecturers, or even for government planning. So tomorrow we will have also a very important part of this gathering and this interactive session, which will deal with the future of our thesis digitization project and the linkage to open access and ability to have the library as our central focus in improving learning standards, improving teaching standards, and improving research standards.